blew the Ford up, right? Dropped the valve, sort of. It was floating the valves, broke the head off the valve, dinged up the piston and cylinder wall. So we have this loaner Chevrolet 582, and it supposedly makes about 1,100 horsepower. Let's see. But we're putting this in the boat, trying to A, see if we can make it run, but B, see if we can salvage the first half of the NJBA season. So this is, I'm gonna peel this back, show you guys what I was talking about. Dragsters notoriously throw rocks and shit all over the motor when they do the burnout, specifically. So if you look at this thing, there's a bunch of junk down in here from when the intake came off. So what I'm gonna do, I think my plan is, and there's also some stuff down in here. So I'm gonna vacuum the ports out, make sure I get everything. And then I think what I'm gonna do, pull the rockers, pull the push rods, pull the lifters, and then take ATF, pour ATF down in here to drag everything down into the pan. And then I'll pull the pan off and then clean it from there. So I think that's the plan, we'll see. Sounds cool.
Yeah. Well, and it's gonna come down.
It'll come down a lot.
Yeah.
It should idle about 1,200. Is what it sounds like. So that is a 582 cubic inch big block Chevy. It has profiler heads. It has a Brodix high-rise manifold on it, and we've got a 1250 Dominator we're going to put on it more than likely. But we got that put in the boat, and we went and made a test. Boat with an A impeller, the same impeller that the Ford blew up with, an A impeller. That engine turned about 6,000 RPM, and the boat did about 96 miles an hour, give or take. That engine makes power around 7,500 RPM, so we need to loosen up the impeller. That's what it boils down to. So we're going to go back to the C impeller, and we'll take it up to Bakersfield and see how it does. So, but it's really encouraging. The thing ran well. It, everything performed as it was supposed to. It's just a little bit slow because it's not turning the RPM that it needs to. So we're going to put the C impeller in it, take it up to Bakersfield, and see what it does. Hey guys, if you liked that video, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you're on YouTube, make sure to select the little bell icon. That'll notify you whenever we release a new video. If you like this content, please keep coming back. We'd like to have you. And if you've got ideas for new videos you'd like to see, please send us a message or an email or comment on one of our videos. Thanks.